Today, I am reviewing MALLRACE LX15PRO Gaming Laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MALLRACE LX15PRO 2025 Gaming Laptop is one of the most impressive laptops in its class, offering a perfect balance of performance, portability, and affordability. Designed for gamers, students, professionals, and creatives alike, it delivers powerful features that make it a versatile choice for almost any use. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse capable of speeds up to 4.3 GHz. Built on AMD's Zen 2 architecture, this CPU delivers exceptional multitasking performance and ensures smooth operation whether you are gaming, editing videos, working on large projects, or running multiple applications at once. It handles demanding workloads with ease while maintaining efficiency, making it a reliable choice for both professional and personal use. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, the LX15PRO offers a responsive and smooth multitasking experience. You can run multiple applications simultaneously without slowdown, whether it's video editing software, office programs, or games. It also supports dual-channel memory upgrades up to 64 GB, which gives it impressive future-proofing capabilities. The storage setup is equally impressive with a 512GB M.2 NVMe SSD. This SSD delivers blazing fast read and write speeds, which means quicker startup times, faster file transfers, and reduced lag. For gamers, students, and professionals who deal with large files or need a responsive system, this kind of storage performance makes a noticeable difference. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is another highlight. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and an anti-glare coating, it provides clear, vibrant visuals with excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles. The thin bezel design gives a modern look and maximizes the screen space, delivering a more immersive viewing experience for gaming, movies, or productivity work. This makes it an excellent choice for creative work, watching media, or multitasking. When it comes to connectivity, the MALLRACE LX15PRO is rich in options. It offers multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 and USB 2.0, a full-function Type-C port, an HDMI port, a headphone jack, and a TF card reader. These ports make it easy to connect multiple devices such as external monitors, keyboards, storage drives, and headphones, improving both convenience and productivity. The inclusion of a numeric keypad further enhances its usability for tasks involving data entry. Portability is another strength of this laptop. Weighing just 1.7 kilograms and measuring only 0.66 inches thick, it is easy to carry without sacrificing performance. Its slim and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, campus life, or working remotely, while still maintaining solid build quality to withstand everyday use. The battery performance of the LX15PRO is also noteworthy. Equipped with a 54.72 Wh battery, it offers enough power to keep you working or gaming for hours without being tethered to a charger. Fast charging capability means you can recharge it quickly, with a full charge taking about 2.5 to 3 hours. This reduces downtime and allows you to stay productive even when you're on the move. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering the latest features, security, and a smooth user experience. From advanced multitasking to improved security options, Windows 11 enhances both productivity and entertainment, making the laptop even more versatile. Overall, the MALLRACE LX15PRO delivers an outstanding package for its price. It brings together a powerful processor, ample RAM, lightning-fast SSD storage, and a high-quality display in a sleek, portable design. It offers extensive connectivity and upgrade options, ensuring it will remain relevant and capable for years to come. Whether you're a gamer seeking solid performance, a student needing a reliable laptop for studies, or a professional requiring a versatile machine for work, the MALLRACE LX15PRO is a highly competitive choice. It combines power, portability, and value in a way that few laptops at this price point can match. If you're looking for a laptop that delivers on both performance and portability without breaking the bank, the MALLRACE LX15 Pro is certainly worth considering.